Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing chocolate chips banana cake made with whole wheat flour, ideal as a healthy snack for the whole family. So let's get started with the recipe. Into my blender jar, I'm adding in 3 very ripe bananas which I have roughly chopped. Half cup melted butter, 1 whole egg, 2/3 cup raw sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 2 pinches of sea salt, and I'm going to blend all this really well. Pour the blended mix into a bowl. I have already added 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour into a bowl. Now the whole wheat flour I'm using is a traditional variety of wheat flour known as khapli wheat, also known as emmer wheat. So this wheat has a very low gluten molecule and it is also rich in fiber and one of the best healthier alternative to refined modern processed wheat. Because of its high nutritional value and because of its low gluten molecule, I prefer to use khapli wheat in my recipes. However, if you don't have khapli wheat at hand, you can use ordinary whole wheat flour instead in this recipe. Add in half teaspoon baking soda and give this a good mix. Add in half cup dark chocolate chips. I'm using Cabocho chocolate chips and lightly mix the chocolate into the khapli wheat flour. Khapli wheat is ideal to include in your diet if you have noticed having any issues when consuming processed wheat, especially if you have noticed having digestive issues or gluten intolerance, then switching over to khapli wheat will be ideal. Add the khapli wheat flour mix into the bowl. And with a spatula, fold the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. I have already shared many recipes, especially cakes and cookies using khapli wheat. Please do check them out on my channel. Okay, now the batter is ready. To bake the cake, I'm using an 8 by 12 inch baking tray and I'm placing a parchment paper over the greased baking tray. I'm leaving some parchment paper on both sides as this will help to pull out the cake once the cake has been baked. Transfer the cake batter onto the baking tray. Level the cake batter. Sprinkle some raw sugar on top. Sprinkle some cinnamon powder. Lastly, I'm sprinkling in some chocolate chips on top and bake in the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Okay, now the cake is baked for about 35 minutes and it has been resting in the pan for 5 minutes. And I'm going to remove it from the baking tray. So just grab the ends of the parchment paper and pull the cake out. I'm going to allow it to cool down slightly and then I'll slice and show you how the cake looks. The cake is perfectly done. You can see how soft and moist the cake is even though it is made with khapli wheat flour. See how perfectly the banana cake has come out. You can see that it is airy and soft and spongy. No one will guess that it is made with khapli wheat. So guys, do try this healthy banana cake and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.